In this video, we're going to learn how to take a screenshot or export a frame, which means saving a single frame from your video as an image file. This is very useful when you want to create a thumbnail, poster frame, or social media image directly from your edit. Let's start. Move your playhead in the timeline to the exact frame you want to capture. Make sure the frame is visible in the program monitor. Now look at the bottom of the program monitor. You'll see a small camera icon. This is the export frame button. Click on the camera icon. A window will appear. Here you can choose the file name, the location where you want to save the image, and the format such as PNG or JPEG. Choose your preferred format and location. If you enable the option to import into project, the image will also appear automatically in your project panel. Now click OK. Your frame has now been saved as an image file. If you don't see the camera icon, click the plus button in the Program Monitor button editor and drag the export frame icon into the toolbar. That's it. You now know how to take a screenshot or export a frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.